Hey folks, welcome to the Camping Post. If you're anything like me, you got lots of gadgets that you take camping with you. It seems like a lot of things these days need charging. And while I feel our Intech Soldan has plenty of electrical outlets, there just aren't enough USB ports for all our devices. So we bought this 2-pack of port expanders. Comes with 3 old school USB ports, a USB-C 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrical outlets, which is way more than we need. And I'd rather have those plugs on a box on the wall than extension cords all throughout our camper. Now my favorite spot for this is pretty much right there under the TV. That seems to be where we end up plugging in a lot of our devices, or we want to set our phone down to charge, or charge up our camping lights or a fan or what have you. Now what I just plugged in here is just a regular old extension cord we picked up at Target. It's got a few electrical outlets on it and a couple USB ports that allow us to charge our phones and kind of keep them up near our heads where we're sleeping. So as you can see here, we got a ton of devices plugged in. We're charging our camping light. We got a wireless charger for phones, our fan. I'm tendering my portable battery box, and I still have ports to spare. So plenty of options here. Another good spot for one of these is on the wall by the microwave and on the other side of the dinette, or over by the kitchen. So pretty much anywhere you're going to need to charge your phone or any devices, or you need some extra plugs to hook up some appliances, they work great.
Don't forget to